This video is made possible by Amsoil.
Like myself, many of you may not be too familiar with the face, but the name will ring a bell. Good day, sir. Could you introduce yourself for us?
I'm Tony Allen.
Tony Allen.
Right.
Now, peeps, personally, this man right here is one of my all-time heroes because I know Mr. Allen from the early days of drag racing. Will we see you returning to drag racing? Let me ask that first.
I just have a very good feeling that eventually I will go back to that. Whether I drag the Mustang or the CRX, but I will drag something. Likely the Mustang.
The Mustang?
Yeah.
Now, I mean, I haven't seen it in a while. You know, you mind giving us a quick update on the Mustang?
Okay, it's parked because it needs an engine, and that's like 6 years ago.
Okay.
And but because I'm at circuit here at Dover and John West Square, I tend to leave that one alone a little bit.
Okay.
But I'm going to go back to it sometime soon, I guess.
And remind us of your best time with the Mustang.
Okay, straight engine, no nitro, no turbo, 9 seconds, 9.5.
Wow, and this is like 2000 and remind me of the year.
Well, it's a first 9-second car in Jamaica, straight engine.
Okay.
And it run against many cars, including the rail and others of cars. I've never lost a race.
Never lost a race.
It's parked unbeaten.
Big up.
Unbeaten, still parked.
A lot of people don't even know that.
They don't.
But let's talk about today now. Today you're campaigning this beautiful car.
I don't own any of these cars.
Right.
The gentleman that one over there, look at him, named Eddie. He's a proud owner. He's a proud owner of these cars.
Right, and he was telling me earlier that this particular car, this Lotus, is a limited edition.
Yes, I won't know much about it.
Okay.
Because he knows about that.
All right, well, I catch up with him.
I just drive it for him today.
Okay,
so it's a privilege for me to drive it.
Okay.
So it's something that I like.
How about your CRX though? Will we be seeing?
That one is up and running nicely, very nice, very quick.
So I guess
very quick.
We'll be seeing you soon with the CRX.
The first race meet, that car will be here.
All
it's
right.
all prepped and ready.
Trouble.
You mind telling us the setup of your CRX?
Okay, the setup, I have still B, I'm not going K, I'm still running B. It's a sleeve block.
It's a B18 or 20?
No, B20.
B20,
It's a sleeve B20. It makes a little bit of unbelievable power because it makes 275 natural.
What?
Which is unusual for a B series.
Whoa.
So the car it should be very nice to drive. I'm looking forward to that.
Right. And you told me a figure off camera a while ago. So money that you pumped into the car.
Yes. So this year alone I spent approximately $1 million
oh my
on the car. So it takes a lot to put into the sport because we want to get the sport up and running. So
definitely.
I'm just hoping that everybody will actually come out. All the drivers have parked the car for a long time. I'm really hoping that they will come out so Dover can stay alive.
Definitely.
So I'm
bring back the vibe.
Yeah, I'm looking for that.
All right, Uncle Tony.
Yes.
Respect.
Thanks again.
All right.
Okay.
We just caught up with the owner of this beautiful Lotus Elise, Mr. Eddie. Now, Mr. Eddie, just tell us real quick some specs on this beautiful machine.
Well, this machine is a track day special. It's a 1.8 Rover K series engine. The engine is a Rover, but it's a bit leery. It will go. The car will perform. And I said to you, the car, there's only 150 of them in the world.
Right, you were telling me that earlier.
Yeah.
And you said 50
right-hand drive, and the other 100 left-hand drive.
left-hand drive.
It's a Type 72, racing Lotus colors. black and gold. It's like
You showed me a logo on this side earlier. You want to show me again?
Yeah. The John Player Special. That used to be on cigarettes.
Yeah.
Cigarettes can't show the cars anymore because you know cigarettes got it on the rosary here. See the seats as well. That's Lotus.
You weren't really on the track today, but let me ask you, any plans of circuit racing in the future?
Well, we want to change the engine to a Honda, you know.
Okay.
I don't want to molest the car because, as I said, the car is special and start to ripping it apart.
Right. Kind of lose the value and all of that.
I don't know, maybe in the future, God's willing, if I get another one, we go Rover K Series, we go Honda instead of Rover K Series.
Got you. I see this beautiful vehicle again, very unique, right? Tell us about it.
This car is a complete Mark 1 Ford Escort, built by a company called Silvia.
Okay.
Not Nissan Silvia. Silvia. It's called a Silvia Striker.
Out of
London. It's been designed by one of the greatest men on earth, Jeremy Phillips.
Okay.
Clever brother. Yeah, he made loads of cars and he sells them on. This car just changed hand to Raw Engineering. And Raw Engineering pack up, they sold it to MK Sports Cars. MK Sports Cars make 7 type. This is the smallest 7 type in the world.
Okay.
And proper handling car.
What about the engine though?
It's a as I said, it's a Mark 1 Ford Escort. It's got a 1600 push rod, running dry sump. Car is very leery. It goes power to weight ratio.
Right.
I know.
I saw it earlier. Look pretty impressive.
Yeah, it's like a blast from the past.
Definitely.
We definitely need some blast from the past sometimes.
Yeah.
Modern things are here everywhere. They're hundreds of them mile a minute. Sometimes we need the older thing.
So question though, is it like street car or is it race?
It's
street legal.
But it's always been a hill climb race car in England.
Okay.
And I bought it from a man, 60 odd. He had a heart problem, so he had to stop racing the car and he sold it to me.
And which year is it?
This car is old, and I think this car is about 1985.
Wow.
This is one of the first ones. That's why I say it's a Silvia. This badge, you never find that to buy.
Wow.
Never ever find that to buy. As simple as that thing is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Come around the back of the car here. See, got that thing raw. They bought it from Silvia.
Okay.
So, and then rename it Raw Striker.
Wow.
And then it's been bought now by MK Sports Cars. So MK Sports Cars have all rights to this car.
Okay, got you. Well, Eddie, thank you so much for the update on this beautiful machine. And as time goes on, you know, we'll try to get some updates.
And we bring different cars as well. And thank you for having me.
Big up.
Bless up. Big up 876 streets to the world.
And by the way, you know, I hear you saying something this morning, you know. So you see
I see
a blue
Toyota Silica in London.
A
The
blue-
whole car covered with 876 streets.
That's serious?
I
Listen.
saw it up in
Rumford.
Yeah.
All right, whoever that owner is, all right, please, if you know who we're talking
Let's see the car
about,
again.
reach out to me.
I will.
Right? And I need to know who's the owner of that.
The whole car is covered with 876 streets.
Mad.
The whole car.
Eddie, big up.
Yeah, man. Big up 876 streets.
Every time.
Wow.
Respect, man, respect.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.